A circular driveway can look complicated, but when you know the right approach, it becomes one of the easiest layouts to clear. The key is to treat the circle like two halves. If the snow is deep, you would use a snowblower and approach it the same way as a straight driveway by starting in the center and working outward. But in the case shown in this training, the snowfall is light enough that shoveling becomes the fastest method. You begin by choosing one direction and working one half of the circle at a time. Start at the midpoint of the driveway where the curve begins. Push the snow in one consistent direction around the arc. The shovel should stay in constant motion, moving snow to the outside edge so you are never pulling snow back into the cleared section. Once you have completed that side, return to the center point and repeat the exact pattern in the opposite direction. You end up clearing the entire circular drive in 2 smooth sweeps. That is why this method is so fast, and it is why even a large circle can be finished in just a few minutes. The same principle applies across all properties. Work in clean arcs, avoid dragging snow back into the cleared path, and always push instead of lift whenever possible. The moment you start lifting snow, fatigue increases and your speed drops. Pushing keeps your momentum and protects your body from unnecessary strain. As with everything we teach, there are no hard rules for the sake of rules. If a crew member discovers a technique that is cleaner or faster, we want them to use it. The only fixed guidelines relate to safety and efficiency. 90% of the job should be pushing snow, not lifting it. Any technique that saves time, preserves energy, and leaves the property clean is a technique worth using.